Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TOPS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from here. But after today's price movement, some updates need to be done. The first update comes about the fact via the bulls are showing some signs of strength. Now, the first sign of strength is the price just at least continue to go sideways, but within going sideways has now been able to break up above that trend line there. Now, don't get me wrong, just because the price is broken above that resistance trend line does not mean that for sure guaranteed now an explosive move to the upside is happening. My point here is it's at least a valid and rational thought to be thinking in that way. Case in point, let's just say the chart looked like this. So it came up here, got rejected by that red line, and then just, did something like this. At that point, and if I was sitting here saying, hey, it's looking like the bulls are maybe starting to show some signs of strength, you'd be totally justified to say, what are you talking about? The price is going down. It got rejected by the trend line there. But that's not what happened here, right? The price was able to at least get above it. So does that mean, again, that this is for sure the bottom and for sure an explosive move is happening? No, I'm not saying that. But again, it's at least a rational thought to have that maybe the bulls are starting to get things warmed up again and that a bigger move could come into play. So that level has played its role for now. If there is going to be any sort of bigger movement to the upside, the big test will be that purple line there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 50-period moving average, which is basically right up there at about 15 cents. So if there is any sort of movement to the upside, 15 cents will be public enemy number one to watch and keep a close eye on. And then if the price does decide that it wants to roll back down, nothing wrong with the price pulling back a little bit, but the must-hold level is definitely going to be that green line down there at 0.139. So let's just call it 14 cents. So 14 cents, very important area, but as of right now, the price isn't anywhere that close to being down there. But nonetheless, those are going to be the two main areas to watch going forward. 15 cents resistance, 14 cents support. So let's see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.